Welcome to today's video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Miguel, and if you're new here, well, today we are at Willow Springs International Raceway. We are racing with Donnie and his Integra. Assuming that they're having like a driver's meeting or something, so I don't know. I'm gonna hit him up and see what he's doing. I'm gonna get dark as fuck. Cheers for the Nas. I needed that. I'm excited for me racing, actually. I have a helmet, so I'm super excited. I brought my GoPro. I brought a head mount, but then I realized, I was like, how am I gonna use that with the helmet? So I'm hoping that Donnie has some suction cup mounts or something that we can mount on there, and if not, maybe he can ride shotgun and I drive while he holds you guys. So I don't know, we'll see. But almost done with my burrito, getting some energy in because I'm freaking tired. There he is.
What's up? How are you, sir?
Good. I left your burrito on that side because I couldn't find you. I was sitting here for a little while.
I was in getting shirts and stickers all set up and going.
Who's driving the Miata?
My dad.
Oh, okay.
You?
I was like, wait, what? Okay. I look dark as shit. I've been out here for a little bit. I've gotten some really good photos. It's hot. There's been a couple people that spun out. Pretty interesting cars, really cool people and stuff like that. Back at the first spot, I'm gonna get out. There's a hole in the fence, so I'm gonna crawl under. Thankfully I have a vest, so I won't get in trouble, but that way I don't have to walk as far as I usually have to. So I'm gonna switch lenses. I'm gonna get some photos. Again, if you guys want to check those out, check them out. I got Moses coming from his place, so he's about 2 hours. He lives 2 hours away from here, so I'm waiting for him. It's hot as fuck. I'm dark as fuck, but it should be a good day. It's a great fucking day. Oh, all right, y'all. So I think I'm done for a little bit. I'm gonna head home since I am pretty fucking close. I'm gonna go get me some snacks and shit because I'm hungry. And I don't think I'm gonna be shooting a lot of video with the stabilizer and stuff, so I'll be good. I brought it anyway. Better to have it. Sorry, you were dusty. I'd say it's better to have it and not use it than need it and not have it. So we're back out here. I'm gonna go see if Donnie can let me give the Miata a little rip, since I do have the other helmet. I want to take it out for a spin. Been waiting for a minute. Went home. I'm fresh. I'm good. So let's go see if we can get a ride or drive.
Are you serious?
load. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Do a little cool down lap.
Yeah. Oh. I'm like, am I still alive? Fuck yeah.
Regina won't ride with me.
Really?
No.
Best experience of my fucking life. Dude, I was scared. When when he came in that turn right there, like that. Not the right, but the left. And he went from third to fourth, and I'm like, you know there's another turn coming, right? Like in my head, I'm like, fuck, I'm gonna die. Dude, that thing was badass. It was so fucking bad.
Dude, I didn't even see that car get into the track.
Thank you. What happened to this guy? I just saw a pile of like.
I don't know, bro. Honestly, I didn't even see him on the track.
Yeah. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next episode. Life is great. I hope you guys enjoy the photos. Head over to the Instagram. I'm gonna link those down below. Also, I don't know if I told you guys that Moses and his girl are here. His girl and the baby are in the car, and Moses is down there taking some photos. I already took some photos with them, and I've been here all day. But yeah, super cool. We got to see a couple cars spin out. Unfortunately, there's an S2000 in the middle over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That one spun out and went to an embankment. Nothing crazy. There's horse thief. I never really went over there to take some photos, so well, I kind of fucked up. It's too late now. I'm gonna close up today's video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. One more thing, shout out to Donnie, and shout out to you, man. Thank you so much for the opportunity of letting me drive the Miata. Thank you, Regina, if you happen to watch this video. And thank you for taking me on that ride along. It was the best experience of my life. I've never experienced anything like that. It was the best track experience ever. Super mind blown that the DC2 Integra can do the things that you make it do. It's super awesome. And that's it. I'll see you guys later.